So can you grow tomatoes in hanging baskets? Yes, absolutely you can. Growing tomatoes in hanging baskets could be a fantastic space-saving solution with those with limited garden space. It's not only practical but also adds a touch of visual appeal to your garden. So how to plant hanging tomato plants? Well, planting tomatoes in hanging baskets is relatively straightforward. In this video we're showing you how you can repurpose a milk carton, but a bucket would work just as well. If you stick around till the end, I'll show you the bucket technique too. First, start by grabbing your milk carton. Now on the underside, you're going to need to cut a 50mm hole. Then on the top, you need to cut an opening for the soil, but be careful not to cut the handle off as we're going to need this later. Next, find a sponge, but not one that's been used before as it may have chemicals on it. Cut the sponge lengthways to about 10 to 20mm thickness. Then cut a line halfway through the sponge. Then open the sponge a little and cut 2 little nicks on the sponge to allow the tomato stalk to fit. Fold the hole back on itself and trim off the 2 little tabs, and there you have it, a round hole for your tomato plant. Grab your tomato plant and carefully pop the sponge around the base of the plant. Now, supporting the plant, ease the roots and sponge into the base of the planter that you've just cut a hole in. Whilst holding the planter, backfill the pot with nutrient-rich soil and make sure to cover the roots of your tomato plant, as this will help it retain water. Now find a suitable place to hang your planter. Make sure you water them thoroughly after planting to help them settle into their new environment. So let's talk about caring for your hanging tomato plants. These plants thrive in full sunlight, so be sure to hang your baskets in a sunny spot where they can soak up the rays. And regular watering is essential, especially during hot weather. And don't forget to feed your tomato plants with well-balanced fertiliser to promote healthy growth and fruit production. With proper care and attention, you'll soon be rewarded with plump, juicy tomatoes dangling from your hanging baskets, ready to be harvested and eaten. So there you have it. Yes, you can hang tomato plants by following those simple steps. Tell us how you're getting along in the comments. And if you like what we're doing, press like and consider subscribing. Oh, and if your planters are being attacked by slugs and snails, watch this video for another easy, harmless solution. Take care, and we'll see you soon.